Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. First opening colors. Yes, warm, gray color. The next one is cool, gray color. Wow, so many colors. Forest green color. The next one is pastel pink color. Kids, now we open the color of rose big. And the next one is pale pink color. The next one is deep olive green color. Wow, so many colors. Yellow color. The next one is deep yellow green color. Yellow green color. Black color. The next one is geranium color. Now we open the color of Persian blue color. And the next one is scarlet color. Scarlet color. The next one is coral red color. Now we open the color of emerald green. And the last one is vivid purple. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one is 10. Now start writing alphabets. Pale pink color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cow. D for doll. E for egg. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fan. G for God. H for hand. Vivid purple color. Now we're writing I. The alphabet of I. I for ice. I for ice cream. J, K for kite. L for lion. L for lemon. Now we're writing the alphabet of N. M for moon. M for mango. M. And the next one is M. N for nose. N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Now we're writing numbers. Baby blue color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O. 3. And the next one is 4. F-O-U-R. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Black color. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. And the last one is 10. T-E-N 10. To do draw and writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.